All right, guys, I'm going to do question 26 from the June 2025 Regents exam. It basically is solving a basic inequality. And one of the things that I've taught you guys is basically whenever you have an inequality, you should graph it and know what your solution is before you actually start with the algebra. Now, the only thing that's different about this one, and it's a little tricky, because normally these would be one variable with x, but this is a one variable inequality that has y. So you can still graph that. You can use, so we're going to go there and we're going to graph it and find our solution. It's just going to be a little different. All right, so we're going to come here, press tab, and as you guys know, anytime we have inequalities, we have to graph them as relations. So this is going to be 5 times 2 minus y, 2 minus y, is greater than a negative 11 y minus 8. Now, once you put that inequality in, you just press enter. Now, normally we would have horizontal or a vertical line because it's usually x, but in this case, we've got a horizontal line because we are dealing with y. Doesn't matter, it's the same idea. So if I do menu 51, it's going to tell me what the boundary starts at. So let me try that again. Menu 51. And it tells me that the boundary starts at a negative 3. That's the y value. So, and where the solutions are all numbers up here, any y value up here. So anything that's greater than a negative 3 is in the solution set. So, and if you hover over this line, you can see it is dashed, but we didn't need that. So here's what we should write for our answer. Down here at the bottom, it should be y is greater than a negative 3. That's what this is saying right here. Y, anything greater than a negative 3 is in our solution set. Now, we're going to do the algebra to support it. So we're going to come here. First thing we do is get rid of the parentheses by multiplying. So this is going to be 5 times 2, which is 10. This is going to be 5 times a negative 1. So this is going to be a negative 5y is greater than a negative 11y minus 8. And then we're going to move this 11y over by doing the opposite. So, and then we're going to subtract 10 from this side, and this is what we're going to have. It's going to be, these cancel, a negative 5 plus 6, or a negative 5 plus 11 is 6y. These are going to cancel. A negative 8 minus 10 is going to be a negative 18. And then the last step always is whatever the coefficient is, you divide by it. So we got 1y is greater than a negative 3. So we've done the algebra. If you were able to do the algebra, that's 2 points. Even if you just wrote this answer, y is greater than a negative 3, that would be 1 point. All right, that's it. Gonna stop, gonna post it. Let's go.